So this is my new camera, Pentax Xg-1, and actually this is not real Pentax. This is actually Pentax, but this is by the Ryko company. I will tell Ryko company a little bit later, but let me tell you that this is available with Macintosh, Windows 8, 7, Vista, XP, 10 and the Linux. So the price quoted on the box is 16,000 rupees, but I actually got it in Sunday summer sale thanks to True Seller India company that is sponsoring me. So let us just quickly unbox this thing, and let me tell you that this video is just being made by this camera. So I had already unboxed. Come on. So this how it looks. Our promise it says, let me just. Here you find some manuals, a CD drive for your computer or Mac or Linux, the warranty card and a manual. So this thing is very important. Then we have got something like this, and inside that you will get a 4 GB micro SD card, a camera. Not only this, you will also get a charger. So the thing is that it has a con, but I will tell about the charger a little bit later. And the another thing we get is actually amazing, and the thing that I get is actually a box. Here it is, nice feeling premium box. And the thing is that here you can keep your accessories for your camera or the camera itself. So now let me just, here you can keep your wires, but currently I had just divided this. Come on. So here is it. Now you can divide this thing into two areas. So just divide this, and by just dividing this, you add a separate space for your camera, specific space for your memory card or something like that, and wires and all. So now let us just came to the review. This was the unboxing, and now let us just came to the review. So here is the zoom test, and there you can see some tanks. So let us just quickly zoom there. It is zooming. Come on, a little bit more zoom. More. And now let us just zoom back. Come on. So there it is, and now let us just try some more. Let me just lose my tripod. So here is a physical overview. Here you will find a viewfinder, a 3-inch screen, some manuals, a direct button for video recording. Now on this side we have just HDMI and AV output. In the front you have this Pentax logo and a zoom lens. Let us just put this thing. Now in this side you will find a 52x wide zoom, I would say logo or written, a speakers, indent for the speakers, and on the top, let me just show you, You will find the dual microphone for noise cancellation, Pentax signature for the DSLR, zooming, capture buttons, some exposure settings and the continuous focus settings. Now let us just on this camera. And now let us just remove that cap from front. Now let us just make this thing to auto. Now here you will see the, I would say, lens. So this can get up to very high zoom, I would say. Sorry for the noise because currently I'm at my balcony. And now if I click on this viewfinder button, so it is it. So this was the unboxing via this camera and of this camera, and our reviews of this camera and via this camera. So currently I am recording with the front facing camera of Lenovo A7000. So here it is. Tell me in the comment section below how did you like my new camera, and I will make a separate video regarding my new tripod. So thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like the video. In case if you like the video, like this video and share this video. And I would say best budget camera for YouTube beginners, and even this is a DSLR. So by saying this, I end my video. Thanks for watching this full video. Like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section below what do you think about this camera. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and now let us just meet in my next video.